Las Vegas, Germany, Thailand, England, whichever. So I don't know. Don't go out with me. Why? I don't know where to go. I go to my bed. Just say people. What paint colors? My paint colors brown. Like my skin. Nothing. Skin color, nothing color. Stay with us. No, may go to bed later. Because you drive me crazy. Because you guys drive me crazy here. That's why. In color, I love you. Thank you so much, Bonnie Kenneth. Ah! What? What's that? What's that? Thank you so much, everybody. I like everybody talking here. I hide my legs now. I want to relax now. We don't show, Loco. Loco, you want to show, Loco? Shoko wants to show you something. Sweetie, I'm really good friend with Philippines over honey. Sweetie, I love beautiful brown. I love international. Because international is very nice, people. What? You like Filipino? Thank you so much, Dino. Loco, thank you. Are you American? No, I'm not American. American don't have accent like this. I'm Filipino. Only Filipinos speak barok. you know the barok. Barok means broken English. My broken English, but you understand me. Last time you been to the Philippines, 2023. Why? Don't hide legs. Why? What happened to my legs? What happened to my legs? You very like my legs? You very like my legs? My legs are very sexy, huh? You like it? Wow. Oh, wow. I've been swollen for the past hours. Why are you swollen? Why? I went to the Philippines last year. Guys, thank you for the gifts. Big Dong, I see you, dog.